Hello guys, how to fix error code 105813 in MS Office in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, simply go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Here execute the command sc configuration, click to run start auto. This command will automatic start click to run services in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thereafter execute the second command. This will enable click to service in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Press enter. Both these paths will also available in my video description. Simply go and copy from there. If this method does not work, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search, type proxy settings, choose change proxy settings. Under network and internet option, automatically detect setting, turn the toggle button off. Thereafter go to the use setup settings, click on setups and ensure this toggle button should also off. Thereafter go to the manual proxy setup. This should be in disable mode. Turn the toggle button off. Thereafter go to the Windows search, type VPN settings. Open VPN settings in Windows 11 and 10 and advanced settings. Allow VPN for metered connection and allow VPN with roaming. Turn the toggle button off. Disable both the services and check whether your error is still or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search and type here installed apps. Here look for Office, click on three dots and choose uninstall Microsoft Office. Confirm uninstallation. Thereafter go to your Microsoft account and in Microsoft account look for Microsoft Office and download and install again Microsoft Office in your Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now the error will not be appear in your system. The next method is right click on start button, choose device manager. Here go to the section display adapter, right click on your display adapter and choose update driver. Thereafter choose search automatically for drivers and Windows will now update your display adapter driver and resolve your issue. The next method is again go to Windows settings, Windows update and click on check for updates. If any update available, simply download and install it.